Good morning, Vietnam. Connor, we're working on the engine bay now?
Yeah, guys, so we just started working on cars in the engine bay. This is our new employee, Edwin. He just was working on this truck. This truck, our first customer's truck.
My truck, motherfucker. It's okay,
As you can see, with his expertise, he...
I think I made a hole.
Sometimes the radiator gets full of water, so you have to let the water out. So this is just releasing some water that's built up. It's good for your car.
Alright guys, so we're in the car now. So Connor, how many stars are we gonna be doing?
I think like 600.
Okay, so 600 stars with the suede beige. We don't know about ambient. He's over there trying to measure his radiator. So that's not gonna get nowhere. But guys, about to be taking this car apart and seeing how it comes up.
Sure, it's a common notion, perpetual in motion, but I don't need the comfort of any lies. I've seen the ending, and there's no ascending rise. Oh, back when I was younger.
Alright guys, so we have the headliner out now. So that's how it came out looking, guys. Nice and easy little uninstall. But basically now we're gonna be doing suede and then stars, so should be pretty fun. So we just finished up stars. We got Edwin back now. Edwin got the radiator. So as you guys know, radiator blew out, so Edwin had to grab a new one. Honestly though, Edwin took this bitch out pretty fucking fast. I'm not even gonna lie. But that's what skill does, you know. And for us, we do have the headliner all taking the glue all out now. It's all freshly. So basically he is going to be getting this beige like suede, so that's what's beginning on. So the driveway looks a bit rough, I'm not gonna lie. But we got Edwin.
It's out.
Is the motor out yet?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Okay. Maybe we should have got you to do Connor's suspension, to be honest, bro.
Maybe.
I think you would have been much better. But basically Edwin's taking care of the truck, doing something. And me and Connor. Nah, we had Sean and Mario do it though, so we had the best. But basically, guys, we got the suede done. Throwing stars right now. Connor's about to get his half done. And then, hey, it's been going good so far. Been going good, guys.
There's moments every day.
is how the truck came out, guys. Came out looking fire. Alright, so
Yes, sir.
my
New
twin's about to subscribe.
Yes,
Alright,
sir.
let's see.
What is it?
Pablo Lopez, 29.
Is it all together?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Look at the videos.
let me turn on.
Ah.